dear children, today in EVS class we are going to take the topic continents and oceans. As you all know that there are 7 continents in the world. And to remember all the names of the continent is a little difficult for small kids. So I have a trick for you. I wrote a sentence for you and you have to learn the sentence. So you can remember forever. What the sentence is? Let's see. Aaron ate 9 sticky apricots at April. One more time. Aaron ate 9 sticky apricot at April. Now what we'll do? Take the first alphabet of each word. E of Aaron means Europe. 8 A Asia. 9 Zen North America. Stickies S South America. Apricots A Australia. Ats A Africa. And last but not least, April's A Antarctica. So here are all the names of 7 continents over here. So I hope you will remember by learning this sentence forever. So children, now we will take and discuss about all the continents over here. First we will take the largest continent of the world, and that is our continent Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. It consists of 48 countries. And the very interesting thing is 60% of the world's population lives here. One more thing, the most populated countries, India and China, are also here. Of course, our country India. 10 highest mountains lies over here. And hundreds of languages used to speak here. So these are some facts about Asia. Now here the turn for the second largest continent in the world, and that is Africa. Children, do you love chocolates? Of course, you all love chocolates. Africa produces 60% of the whole world's chocolate. Isn't it? It's an interesting fact. Second thing is, the longest river in the world, Nile, and the largest desert, Sahara Desert, also lies in Africa. Now, here's the turn for the third largest continent in the world, and that is North America. North America is also known as a new world. Why? Because it is discovered very late. You can see Statue of Liberty over there. North America is the home of Google, Facebook and Apple. The world's smallest owl you can find only in North America. Now it's turn for the fourth largest continent, and that is South America. South America, have you ever listened about the biggest snake in the world, anaconda? A lot of movies are there on anaconda, right? Anaconda only you can find in South America. The amazing jungles and rainforest are here only in South America. Now here's the turn for Antarctica. The fifth largest continent in the world is Antarctica. Antarctica is also known as the coldest desert. It's actually a white land. You can find penguins here. Very less people, or you can say no population is there, because Mostly scientists and researchers used to go and live there for their researches. The weather conditions are not suitable there for humans. Antarctica is the most driest, windiest and coldest place. Now here is the turn for Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent in the world and 2nd smallest continent. Currency euro runs, it's a single currency, runs all over Europe. Britain, France, Germany, these countries lies here, and of course the largest country in the world, Russia, is also in Europe. Now last but not least, Australia, 7th largest continent, or we can say the smallest continent in the world is Australia. Australia has only one country, Australia itself. One fact is this, that Australia is the 7th largest, or we can say it is the smallest continent, but it is the largest island in the world. Kangaroos, koala, emu, these animals you can find here in Australia. A very fantastic fact is there, you can find more sheep but less people there, means so many sheep you can find there. Now it's turn for oceans. We have 5 oceans in the world. First is Pacific, Indian, Atlantic, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and the Arctic is the smallest ocean in the world. Now one fact is this, Pacific Ocean is the biggest physical feature of our earth. In this chapter, we learn about 2 terms. One is Pangea and second is isthmus. So first we will discuss about the term Pangea. What is Pangea? Let's see. What is Pangea? Actually, Pangea was a supercontinent of the earth, like this. $200 billion years ago, what the condition we are seeing today was not there. At that time, all the continents were stuck with each other at a single place on the earth and formed a supercontinent, only one landmass, and that is called Pangea. After the time passes, due to the several changes in the earth and the movement of tectonic plates, this supercontinent drifted apart and divided into 7 landmasses, what we are seeing today in the form of 7 continents. So the conclusion is this, Pangea is the supercontinent. Now we are going to take the second new term, and that is isthmus. What is isthmus? Isthmus is a very narrow passage between 2 big land masses, as means it is North America, here it is South America, and there is a narrow passage between the 2 big land masses, it is Panama. It's called isthmus. I hope now you do understand the meaning of isthmus and Pangea. I hope now you understand the chapter well and your concepts are clear. Thank you.